So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can fix your Play Store app if it is not working then. So guys, for that you have to go in your settings, and after going in settings you have to go for app management, and after that you have to click in the app list. So now you can search for your Play Store. So after coming in Play Store app, you have to go for manage notifications so that you can search easily, and after that you have to go in that alert, so and make sure that it should be in the context also and in the locations also. Okay, so guys, here my everything has been alloyed. So this is how you have to do, and if it is not working right, then you have to just click it for force stop, and after clicking force stop, come back once and switch off your data once, and switch off your data and rejoin once. So after that it can be solved. So guys, this is the video, and thanks for watching this video.